Hello and welcome to Life Stationeries. My name is Kylie. I went thrift store shopping today, and as you can see, I got some pretty cool stamps. They had a whole huge tote full of stamps, and so went through them, and I got what I thought that I would be, using for my junk journals and everything, and I got quite a bit. But I wanted to show you guys how I store these. So, and first of all, what I'm going to show you is I don't know if I like a good old rubber stamp or the new kind of foamy rubbers or these silicone ones. I kind of like, I like having something in my hand, but at the same time, I've really quite enjoyed these ones, as long as, when you push down, sometimes it goes up on the sides. Gotta, make sure you're pushing the whole thing down. And silicone ones, I've had a hard time with, you take them off and you try to get them to stick to here, and sometimes they don't stick. And after time, they're not sticky at all. I mean, they're just like, they just don't stick. And so that is my only glass piece I have. So I'll show you what I've been doing. I don't understand why these are backwards to me, but I take these, if they're like this, I take this off and gotta flip this over so your words match up. So if it's like this, my T's over here, the T's over here, so you flip it over so your T is on top of your T. And it doesn't have to be quite 100%. And I think the butterfly's over on this one. I don't know why the butterfly was over there, but like I said, I did get these from the thrift store. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump these all over here. This is a beehive. Am I even in frame? No, I'm not. I do apologize. Now we are in frame. We'll get maybe a little closer. Yes, so I've got to be right here. So match that to there. We're gonna take this one off. And happy matches with happy, maybe. Wah, wah, wah. And this last little line. And I mean, I'm not matching this up perfect. I'm not gonna make it to where every single thing is perfect. Oh, this has happy birthday. There is nothing in I don't know what that says. I'll have to stamp it to see what that says. So then you take some scissors, and then I cut these out. And I know some people don't cut these out, but some people, like me, I cut these out. There's more than one reason why I cut these out. Cut them out, for one, because I don't need a glass backer now. I have my back. So I dip it in my ink, and then I dip it on my paper. You can't see what I'm doing. Dip it on my ink, and I dip it on my paper, and I'm done. So, and it gives it the sturdy back. So that is why I cut these out. Snip it. Snip, 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 snip. It is a pretty cool day here in Colorado. Not as warm as it has been, so me meaning that I think it's like in the 80s. 70s or 80s today, instead of the 90s or the 100s. I've had 2 weeks off of work to take my children. Love children, love children. Take my children to the summer school. And now that they are all done with summers, well, one of them's done with summer school, the other one my mom's gonna take. But I have to return to my 14-hour shifts at work, so I am a cement truck driver. I'm not a nurse. I'm a cement truck driver. So, yeah, that is what I do for a living. And yay, I get to go back. So it's been a really nice break. And, you know, after going back to work from a vacation, you never really want to go back to work. Okay, so let me scooch it back again. I have all of these, okay? And they're stuck together. Now, my wooden stamps, I put in this box. And I'm going to have to change that, or I'm going to have to add another box. I think I have 3 boxes, but I might have to add another box because I got more wooden stamps. And the only foam stamps I keep in there are my animal foam stamps. So I'm going to pause for a minute and take you out of the K. Okay, I will try not to jiggle and wiggle so much. So I take my stamps and I come over here. I got that bucket of stamps, that bucket of stamps, that bucket of stamps. And this right here is a closet hanging jewelry organizer. This is how I organize all of my stamps. And I'm going to take those foamy ones out of there. And then you flip it over. Closet organizing, closet jewelry organizer. And I mean, I have a lot in there, and there's still, you know, room for more. So I don't do good at holding the camera and putting these in here, especially when these are stuck together. So that one's came unstuck. I take it, I turn it over to where I can read it. Right side up. Stick it in the little pocket. This makes it nice because I can see them. I know what I'm grabbing. I can come over here and say, I want flowers. I'm going to get this flower, and that flower is one of my favorites. And let's say this flower. That's a pretty flower. So that is just what I do to organize my stamps that are like these. So, but yeah, that is it here from Life Stationeries. Again, I am Kylie. I'm going to finish getting all these cut up and put away and find more room for more. Have a good day.